Marilyn, what's the theme for the year?
The theme for this year's World AIDS Day is really called Getting to Zero. So, it's all about reducing the number of HIV infections globally, as well as zero discrimination. When we talk about zero, not discriminating people who have HIV. And also zero AIDS-related deaths. So it's all about zero lah. Macam year after year, globally around the world right now, about 33.4 million juta, 33.4 juta people are living with HIV and AIDS. So really, the objective tujuannya for World AIDS Day is to remind people that we need to bring that number down.
We're gonna make it zero.
Yeah, that's the
zero
idea.
For
Zero for Brunei.
AIDS for Brunei.
Yes,
no AIDS for
definitely,
the other
definitely.
Okay. So what does the Standard Chartered do?
Standard Chartered, well, living with HIV awareness is one of our key corporate social responsibilities lah. Daripada tiga, we have seeing is believing as well as the environment. So for us, HIV is all about awareness. Meningkatkan kesedaran lah, as what my colleague said. So what we do is education, pendidikan, sharing the facts with really with the community and with anyone. Tapi at the workplace, we have a policy. Polisinya adalah untuk to educate our staff, kaki tangan kami. It's mandatory, it means compulsory that our staff are educated about HIV. And then on top of that, we will freely share our education materials with anyone who is interested to learn more.
So where does the idea come from?
The idea came from how it started, right? Well, Standard Chartered Bank, we're an international bank, so we have branches, right? Ada cawangan in a lot of countries lah, 70 over countries, 70 countries, right?
Wow.
And one of them was in Africa. Now, Africa has the highest number of HIV infections in the country. And we found out, we were wondering, kenapa kami punya staff selalu damam kan, selalu cuti, ambil off ka, and then when we found out...
Bukan AIDS tu
no, seriously. Benar. So when we looked into it deeper, we found out that it's because they were sick with HIV, jaga dorang punya relative who are sick with HIV,
infected,
that kind of reasons. It's a fact, yeah, it happened. And that's like quite recent, dalam tahun 2000 lah, 2000 macam tu. Yeah, when we actually looked at it, it's like, what's wrong? So, kami punya kaki tangan are not healthy, they can't come to work. And then when people can't come to work, payah kan, because you have to find somebody to replace them or whatever. So we thought, okay, this is not good. As a global international bank, we need to do something. So we thought about educating our staff lah. Because without education, when you don't know apa yang benar or false, which one is correct, you cannot make the right choices.
And you can prevent the
correct, yeah, because you don't know what you should be doing to prevent from menjangkitkan other people or affecting yourself. So that's how it came up.
Jadi di Standard Chartered sendiri, adakah ini merupakan kali keberapa acara ataupun meraihkan Hari AIDS Sedunia ini?
We've been doing it since the awareness. We started in 1999, ya.
1999,
Setiap tahun.
Setiap tahun
sehinggalah kali ini. Dan juga bagaimana dengan galakan daripada orang ramai, khususnya yang menyambut dengan baiklah dengan adanya Standard Chartered mengadakan Hari AIDS Sedunia ini. Adakah ia memuaskan ataupun bagaimana?
Sambutannya is very memuaskan. We have done a lot of activities, even with educating others. The reason one that we do is yang baru-baru ni kami buat is the one yang menjalankan program bersama unit pergigian, Kementerian Kesihatan dan juga ejen pengiklanan kami. And also Kementerian Kesihatan. We've done that for free. Actually, as Marilyn said, we've done it for free, and with the support, they want us almost every year, I guess.
Percuma.
Yes, for free.
Tidak perlu bayaran.
Because we also have a center in Standard Chartered Bank, a learning center. They can actually come over, or we go to their place to actually educate them.
Ya. Dan apa yang kita ketahui pada hari ini 1 Disember merupakan Hari AIDS Sedunia, dan kita mengetahui juga seluruh negara pun juga menyambut Hari AIDS Sedunia. Jadi di negara kita Brunei Darussalam, di manakah akhirnya diadakan ketika ini?
Currently now, we're doing Pan Brunei. We're doing a collection of donation, where we set all the champions at different branches to collect all the donations for the HIV.
So what can people do to negotiate with the Standard Chartered?
What can people do
to negotiate with the Standard Chartered and joining this program?
Oh, it's free, and it's open for everyone. All they need to do is call us. My colleague is in the phone banking department. Just call 265-8000 and they can tell her, hey, we're interested in the program. Kami kan buat untuk kaki tangan kami lah, untuk sekolah, untuk anybody who wants to have this program, and we do it for free. Yeah, we're happy to do it for free because education should be free, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, especially when you're sharing something so important. Because in Brunei we have our own share of HIV related cases as well. I'm not sure kalau Kementerian Kesihatan will release the figures this year. Hopefully they do. But last year, there were 5 cases. And then the year before, tahun 2009, there were 11 cases. So there was a night, tapi it reduced again lah. So which is good. Yeah, hopefully those figures are correct.
Kita maukan tahun ini yang lebih menurun
getting
lagi.
To zero, right? Yeah, what we
zero.
want is we
Getting
want
to zero. Jadi tema yang di getting to zero,
make it possible.
adakah ini tema seluruh dunia ataupun cuma
It's the WHO tema.
WHO? Kan senang ya untuk
mendapatkan ke zero.
ataupun kosong, nol.
Apa aktiviti tadi yang menarik? Yang menariknya untuk
Donation.
Donation.
We go around with a donation box and we just support.
Bila boleh
Berlangsungnya
mungkin
Today,
menyertai?
hari ini.
Di mana?
Di Standard Chartered itself, all branches.
All branches.
Jadi
Pan
bagi
Brunei.
mereka yang berkunjung ke Standard Chartered lah.
So this is really nice. Also negotiate with the Ministry of Health.
With Ministry of Health, we are very thankful to them because they are very
very
supportive.
helpful, yeah.
They really support our program. Last year, we shared the program with them. They said it was good, and to continue what we're doing. So we're really thankful for that.
Very supportive.
Yeah, they are. They really are. Which is good to know. And then we get good support from the Disease Control Center as well, who share figures with us sometimes, because you need to know the numbers.
Yeah, they update us on all the numbers.
And we also work closely with non-government organization, NGO, Brunei Darussalam AIDS Council, backed by youth volunteers. They're doing a great job. So I think together, collectively, support of Ministry of Health, Standard Chartered, Brunei Darussalam AIDS Council, and everyone, really, when they come together and do something, the effects are better.
Any other activities in conjunction?
Well, today is one day that we recognize World AIDS Day. I think activities are all year round. Yeah. For Standard Chartered, it's definitely all year round. Like every other month, we will be educating our own staff. And then when, like say for example, if an associate or a company that knows about our program wants to do it, we'll do that too. So it's not just today, it's every day. Yeah,
Maybe the Standard Chartered will be giving the leaflet or the ribbon?
For this year, hopefully we can spread the message. Education is important because for us, it's all about educating. And then among our staff, of course, we're collecting donations, as what General Azima said, and encouraging people to wear red. So that they'll remember.
Ini memberi sokongan
Memberi sokongan sampai patah-patah
lapas ipinnya.
It's easy, senang dibuat pelangnya. Pakai ribbon saja sama pin.
But not stuck in glue.
If it doesn't stick on your
Jadi kalau tadi dan katanya di negara kita ya 5 kes tahun 2010. Jadi bagaimana secara global?
Secara global 33.4 million worldwide.
Billion.
33 over
Million.
million. 33
juta.
Jangan dibanyakkan lagi zero.
juta. 33,4 juta. Ini yang mengidap HIV dan AIDS ya. Dan 90% apa tu 90%
Yang mana?
daripada pengidap yang
HIV.
hidup dengan HIV
HIV.
yang tidak menyedari
Aha,
status mereka yang dia
itulah.
positif.
Jadi ini kata orang bukan perkara yang memang
Ringan,
agak membimbangkan ya. Secara global 33.4 million ataupun 33.4 juta dan di kalangan kanak-kanak saja 2.4 juta.
Wah,
Bayangkan, ya. Itu
2.4.
bagi kanak-kanak bagaimana masa depan mereka ya.
15.3 million.
Bila kanak-kanak sudah mengidap ya. 2.4 juta. Dan di kalangan lelaki
15.3
Million.
juta dan kalangan perempuan 15.7 juta.
This is based on
tapi yang paling mengejutkan saya dalam masa sehari ya
information booklet, right?
7,400 7,400 mereka yang
Orang
mengidap
baru dijangkiti HIV setiap hari.
HIV
Setiap hari.
Menakutkan.
Average.
itu day dalam sehari.
Menakutkan.
Today ya. only, ya.
Dalam satu hari. Kalau kita ni kira dalam 30 hari berapa? Untuk satu hari saja mereka yang mengidap HIV 7,400.